All right, today is the day. We're going to Korea. Take my slippers off. It is time to go to Korea for EDC. I don't even care. Not at all. Ooh, storm coming.
Whoa, babe, look!
Whoa.
What the hell? What is this?
I have no idea. Day 2, we're in Seoul, which is a pretty cool permanent theme park, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cool. It's just like a regular theme park, but there's also like a festival here.
There's lots of pretty cool buildings. Just walking across the bridge. Everyone's been really friendly and like everyone's in costume, as you can see. A lot of the families are still here. They haven't closed the actual park down.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like the Korean Disneyland, but so what you've got is like little kids everywhere. Yeah, so that's the only thing, but nah, it's been awesome so far.